What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. Now, those of you who have been with me on the recent live streams knew this video was coming. I'm sure you've been eagerly waiting, but for the rest of you who don't know, I'm glad to announce I'll be doing the Chris Sain 0 to 100k challenge on Robinhood. Now, I've been seeing loads of these videos all over the place, so maybe I'm a little bit late with week one, but pretty much just to sum it up, I will be documenting my journey from 0 to 100k on Robinhood and updating you guys each and every week. So that's 52 different updates for you guys, so make sure you guys tune in, let me know what's happening, and of course, make sure to show love. So I will be documenting my journey, showing you guys exactly how much I'm making each and every week with this, and hopefully you guys do show love, show the support to keep me encouraged to keep it going. So to begin with, I do want to say, I've watched a lot of these videos recently, and I'm honestly not entirely sure still how this challenge works or what exactly the rules are, but please let me know in the comment section if I'm doing it properly, if I'm doing it wrong, whatever the situation is, please let me know in the comment section, because I want to do this challenge properly. I want to show that I can do it. I want to prove myself to you guys or to myself. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I do want to get that done and make sure that it's done in the right manner. So let me know in the comment section if I'm not 100% sure how it works still, but I'll put my own spin on it, explain what I'm doing, what I'm trading, what I did good, what I did bad, and hopefully the most important thing, I'll show you guys how I go from 0 to 100k. Now, I'm setting it out from January 1st till December 31st. I don't know how other people are doing it, but that is my time frame. Now, how fast I do it, how slow I do it, I don't know. But my aim is to get it done within that 1 year period. So make sure you guys tune in to see when that happens. Now, there are going to be bad times, there are going to be good times. There's going to be a whole lot of different emotions. But like I said, I'm going to document it and show you guys so you guys can jump in on it, so you guys can do it yourself, whatever, it's up to you. And to be honest, I just thought I'd put my own spin on it and show you guys me going from 0 to 100k. So from the videos I've seen in the past few days from the people I'm subscribed to, I've been seeing people talk about stocks, I've been seeing people show their trades, whether they're buying options, growth stocks, I've seen all sorts of stuff. But either way, I'm just going to kind of go through what I've been doing, what I plan to do going forward, and update you weekly. Now, you guys, just like me, have probably been seeing this title, this challenge, all over YouTube, and I thought, you know what, let me also do something special for the community. So for those of you who were at my live stream last week Saturday, during that live stream I did announce that I will be showing you guys the monthly gains I make with my portfolio, but now it seems like I'll be doing it weekly because of this challenge. So basically in today's video, I'm just gonna be talking about how week one went last week. You guys can see the gains, you guys can see what I plan to do going on this week, and also collect any other gems in the process. So let's dive straight into my phone and see how we did last week. Now, to begin with, I'm just gonna kind of let you guys see how my portfolio planned out and the kind of gains we made. Starting from 0, losing a bit of money to begin with, and eventually being up and back in the green again. But I do want to mention, I did a mix of buying options and also some growth stocks. So when you see the amounts that are jumping up quickly, well, that is obviously because of options trades when the stock itself jumped in a few percent during the day. Now, there is something I do want to clarify here. I did not start with exactly $0 because it's quite hard to get to 100k dollars without putting any dollars in. But I do want to say I did start with less than 20k dollars, if anyone is wondering, just for anyone out there. I've seen a few different spins on it. I actually thought it was a challenge from January to December, but it seems like it's not. But either way, my aim here, my job here is to see how much we're going to gain from January until December. Hopefully that will be more than 100k in gains by that point. We'll come back to this every week. I'll make a check-in video on the weekends and you guys can follow my journey. So as you can see, the past gains from the week was a total of over $26,000, and actually it's a pretty strong week to start off with. That's probably my biggest week in a long time, I'm maybe ever, but either way. Also, again, I'm not sure how the week process works, if you guys are counting from Monday to Friday or Monday to Monday, but either way, you guys can let me know in the comment section. That would definitely help so we can correct it going forward. First week up over $26,000, which is very nice. And for those of you wondering, January 1st was a Friday, and that day the market was closed, so we could not start then. But the very first trading day of this year was January 4th. So as you can see, we actually dipped a little bit to begin with. It started off very slow. Eventually we started to make substantial gains and we finished the week strong. Now again, I do want to just clarify, those big jumps you see are down to the options trading. And as you even see itself, you see options expiring soon. So all 3 of those options trades were placed last week because I have to trade only from this year onwards. And to be honest, Fubo has done pretty well so far. NNDM has done really well. And the other one is Virgin Galactic, which hasn't gone out too well so far. But just for reference, the 7th of January was a crazy day, as you guys can see. The 8th of January was another crazy day on top of the 7th of January crazy day. And then we just stagnated throughout the weekend, of course, because the markets were closed, before we got to the point at where we were sitting at Monday, which was yesterday. So a little recap on the highs and lows of the week. The lowest point we're at during the first week of January was down $1,193. The highest point we were at in that single week period was just over $29,000. Now, like I said, we ended the week over $26,000 in profit, so that was good. That's a great start. I mean, that's over a quarter of the way there, and I definitely could not have imagined that as we started this challenge. And I also thought it'd be relevant to show you guys a few of the options trades I placed, because they could be relevant to you guys for this week, or they could be relevant to you guys who are doing the challenge. But yeah, I just thought it'd be nice to share every single options play I had last week. Again, bear in mind that these were not all the trades I made. These were just solely the options trades. I did also purchase stocks for long-term holds. But like I said, let's check out those options trades. So as you can see, we have FUBO, that's Fubo TV, a $28 call for the 15th of January, which is this Friday. We have Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, which is another call for this Friday. That one is a $25 call. We also have NNDM, which is a $10 call, also for this Friday. Now the reason those three I placed for this Friday was they were kind of, you know, lottery plays. I just put a bit of money in to see how it would go and hopefully make some money. Now, at the time that I recorded this, which was last week, Thursday, I believe, all three of them were down. So January 7th, they were down, but a couple of them have actually recovered this week, but we'll see how they go. Now, for my last three options that you see there, Lemonade, Neo, and Neo. Now, the reason you see these two stocks with three different call options is because I actually made a video last week saying 5 stocks you should buy in 2021, and those two are on that. Now, if you guys didn't think those would be my heaviest option plays, well then I'm not sure what you're thinking. But like I said, I did my research on these companies, I placed options trades, and that's why those ones were actually paying off. So Lemonade to begin with, I've talked about this multiple times. It's a great stock to swing trade. It brings you, huge gains in days, but it can also dip heavily during days. But Lemonade was up a hefty amount, which is exactly why I had a great start to my week and my year. And Neo was up decently. So again, that was another good play, bringing me back some gains. Now, if you're wondering why you see two different Neo calls, one for $53 and one for $52.50, it is because I placed my original call for $53, then Neo actually dipped that same day, and I actually bought another option play. The reason I did that is because it gave me an opportunity to make more money. I believed in it, I knew Neo Day was coming up, and I knew it would pay off. I mean, when I say I knew it would pay off, of course, nobody knows exactly what's gonna happen, but I had a very strong feeling it would pay off. So that's why you see two separate Neo calls for that day. If Lemonade had dipped even more, then I would also have made another option play on Lemonade. But I also placed these three trades far out enough so I could manage my risk adequately and make money, make profits in the right manner. Now, like I mentioned, I'm not really sure what the time frame is for this challenge, if it's by the end of the year or if it's as soon as possible, but over 25K in the first week to start off with is a very nice begin. And it's over 25% of the way there. So yeah, brilliant start, can't complain. But I do want to point out, for those of you guys who are doing the challenge, and also for myself actually, I can't expect to get those kind of gains every single week. In fact, if I get those gains any other weeks during this challenge, that would be a miracle. So I do not expect to get 25K in the first 4 weeks, by the end of the month, have the challenge done. That's not going to happen, let's be honest. But I do expect substantial gains throughout the year so we can get to that 100K. How quickly will it happen? I do not know. Will it even happen? Who knows? But I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, keep doing what worked well for me, and hopefully continue to make trades and make gains each and every week. Now, I'm sure there are going to be down weeks during the whole period, but you guys are going to see every single bit of it. Trust me, you're going to see the wins, you're going to see the losses. I mean, it's honestly a coincidence that we started the year with such crazy gains. And again, you guys are probably going to expect to see that every week. That is definitely not going to happen. I guarantee you it's not going to happen. Even if I repeat the same thing over and over again, it's not going to happen. That's just not how the market works. Because if it was that easy, we'd all be traders, let's be honest. But the 0 to 100K challenge has started off very well, better than I ever thought. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, stick around for more videos like this. And of course, make sure to support the channel by dropping that thumbs up, commenting, subscribing, and also sharing these videos. Add to that, we've got multiple links in the description. Make sure you guys go and check all of those out. We've got my smartwatch company, Time Gear. We've got a free stock through Robinhood if you guys sign up through my link. We also have cryptocurrency there in the form of Bitcoin through Coinbase. Please do note that first link in the description is a free guide to online business, so you guys can go check that out and have fun with it, enjoy it. Apart from that, thanks a lot for watching today's video. This is the first of 52 different updates during this year. We'll see how it goes with the portfolio, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it for me. I got one to making, you got one to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
This game